Model, 2019 Peugeot Boxer Relay 335 Pro L3h2 Blue HDI Genuine Low Mileage Very Long MOT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 86,257. MOT, the 4th of February 2026. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 FUD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and drivetrain are in good condition and it pulls well in all gears, no lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, aircon, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows, 12 months MOT. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.